Here we're talking about the kernel trick for SVM. So let's have a very simple example in one-dimensional space. Say there's only one feature x1, and the y's are either 0, so these are 0, and say these are 1s. So if it looks like this, then it's linearly separable, so we just use a line to separate these two classes. But if we have points here as well, then this is no longer linearly separable in one dimension. So the kernel trick basically says we can add another feature, and that feature is called x2, it's just x1 squared. So if you plot that, it looks like this. So the same data points, the same instances, will be mapped to the two-dimensional space like this along the line. So it will be this, and it will be this, and that. So now we can actually use a line like this to separate the two classes, and this will be our SVM on this two-dimensional space x1, x1 squared.